In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best folding treadmills in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5.
Runners are raving about the Schwinn Fitness 810 treadmill. It is one of the most highly reviewed folding treadmills with Incline available. Like other Schwinn Fitness products, this treadmill is well made, reliable, and packed with features. There are 16 pre-programmed workouts, and runners who purchase the Explore the World can explore international destinations with over 50 global routes that auto-adjust in real time to your speed. The treadmill has a 1.9 horsepower motor, supports runners weighing up to 275 pounds, and can reach speeds of 10 miles per hour, making it a great mid-level home treadmill. The inclined feature is motorized and can top out at a 10% grade. In terms of the folding capabilities, we love the soft drop folding technology because it enables a gentle descent without needing to put any muscle into it to fight gravity. The belt is somewhat smaller, at 20 inches wide by 55 inches long, but it should be large enough for runners up to 6 feet 2 inches tall. Lastly, there are little perks like heart rate sensors and a USB charging port for your phone, so you don't have to worry about your phone dying and your music cutting out mid-run.
Number 4.
Echelon Stride is a great pick if saving space is your top priority. This compact treadmill folds up to just 10 inches tall, which is smaller than other top folding treadmills, but it still has a 4.6-foot running belt that will suit most runners. Likewise, the Echelon Stride can incline 10%, and you can run up to 12 miles per hour. The Echelon Stride lacks a beautiful display but does offer 8 programmed workouts along with a built-in device holder so you can still stream live on-demand classes while you jog. It's a less expensive option than premium picks, though the Good Housekeeping Institute's experts have cautioned that the running belt can feel narrow and that the automatic folding system isn't as seamless as it could be.
Number 3.
NordicTrack T-Series 6.5 treadmill features a classic design that you can fold in half between uses. Whereas some folding treadmills feel lightweight and flimsy, we like that this one feels strong and sturdy. A wide belt offers a smooth and comfortable experience, and the treadmill can incline up to 10% for a more challenging workout. If you really want to take your fitness routine to the next level, this treadmill comes with a 30-day free trial of an iFit membership. The membership gives you access to live and on-demand classes during which your instructor can actually increase your incline and speed remotely. In addition to completing workouts on the treadmill, the iFit membership includes full-body training, inviting you to complete a variety of cross-training workouts to work your legs, arms, and core. While the membership trial ends after 30 days, you can choose to continue your subscription for endless access to studio classes, trainer-led workouts, and more.
Number 2.
Xterra Fitness TR150 is the most affordable folding treadmill on this list, making it the perfect fit for casual walkers or runners looking to get some steps in at home. The TR150 comes with a 5-inch LCD display that lets you select your speed and choose from 12 programmed workouts. If you want to add incline, you can do so manually with 3 incline settings, and you're able to go up to a max speed of 10 miles per hour. While we don't recommend this treadmill if you're training for a marathon due to its smaller running belt and manual incline, it'll do the trick if you want some quick workout sessions at home. The price is unbeatable, and customer feedback is extremely positive.
Number 1.
NordicTrack Commercial 1750 is one of the best cardio machines for the price. Not only do you get a 10 inches touchscreen with which you can view iFit programming, but this foldable treadmill has dual functionality. It has both incline and decline options. Want to pretend you're running downhill? Sure, sounds good. Interested in training for a big hike you have coming up? Yup, the commercial 1750 has you covered there, too. If you're a serious runner, the 1750 is a great option to consider. The 3.5 chp motor is above what you want for a solid running treadmill. I'd expect at least a 3.0 chp motor, and doesn't shake even if you're going pretty hard. If you're someone who likes interactive programming, iFit has great classes that are fun and easy to follow. You do get a free 30-day trial period when you purchase the 1750, but after that it'll cost you $396 per year for a family plan, $39 per month for a family plan, or $180 per year for an individual plan. The 1750 has all the bells and whistles you'd hope for on an ISA treadmill. Expect to see Bluetooth connectivity, a holder for your water bottle, device holder, extra storage, speakers, and 2 fans to keep you cool while you work out. In terms of things I'm not nuts about, this treadmill is a mammoth. Even though it can be folded up and stored away, it is a process and generally requires a second person, unless the Hulk is secretly reading this. Not only is the 1750 upwards of 350 pounds, but it also has a very large footprint. If you have a small apartment or limited space, this might not be the foldable treadmill for you.
Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.